It's a little windy today. It's got the lake even blowing here. Got the waves coming in. Anyways, just thought that was cool. Oh, let's try to get up here. Hey guys. Recover my coffee here. Okay, hi boys. We're out just taking a walk. It's a windy day, yes it is. This is the calm over here, right here. But yeah, it's been windy all morning so far. Feels good though. Definitely keeps any insects at bay, although we haven't had many insects as it is, even on calm days. Okay, well hey, we're going to continue our walk. Just wanted to say hi, show you the little waves in the lake. Take care. We'll talk later. Bye. We lost. Here he comes. Good boy, El. Elton boy.